Welcome students to episode 2, Pressure in Fluids and Pascal's Law. In the previous episode, we built the foundation, density, pressure, and the nature of fluids. Today, we derive one of the most important results in all of fluid mechanics, P is equal to rho gh. This single formula explains dams, submarines, blood pressure, hydraulic lifts, everything. Let's begin. Imagine a fluid at rest, say water in a tank. Consider a small surface at a depth h below the free surface. Above that surface, there is a column of fluid. This column has volume is equal to A times H, mass is equal to A, weight is equal to egg. Pressure is force per area. P is equal to force A is equal to AA is equal to rho gh. This gives the pressure because of the fluid, not including atmospheric pressure. Real pressure underwater includes atmospheric pressure too. P underscore abs is equal to P underscore Tm plus rho gh. But for most G questions involving difference or rise, rho gh is what matters. Pressure increases with depth. Direct linear relation. Pressure acts equally in all directions. This is why dams are thicker at the bottom. Pressure depends on depth only, not on shape of container, not on width, only on H. Pressure depends on density. Sea water or fresh water, mercury or water. 3 containers of different shapes, same depth H, same pressure at bottom. Even if the shape looks weird, pressure at the same depth is identical. Reason: pressure depends on H only, not shape. One of the most elegant laws in physics. Pressure applied to an enclosed fluid is transmitted equally to every point in the fluid. Meaning, any pressure you apply at one point, the entire fluid carries it. Consider 2 pistons connected by an incompressible fluid. Let areas be small piston A, large piston A. Apply a small force F on the small piston. Pressure generated P is equal to Fa. Same pressure reaches the large piston. So force on the large piston. F is equal to Pa is equal to asterisk A. If A, a tiny force lifts a car. This is why hydraulic brakes, lifts, jacks work. Fluids don't multiply energy. You apply small force but over a longer distance. Energy is conserved, no free multiplication. Hydraulic systems need incompressible fluids. Air is compressible, slows response, not ideal for hydraulic brakes. Pascal's law holds only in static fluid, not valid in highly accelerated or rotating fluids. In this lesson, you learned how fluids exert pressure and how engineers harness this pressure to lift cars and operate machines. In the next episode, we'll explore one of the most interesting ideas in physics. Episode 3, Archimedes' Principle and Buoyancy. Floating, sinking, upthrust, apparent weight, and tricky G cases.